Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to organize your Viber chats more efficiently by adding them to folders. This simple trick helps you keep your conversations tidy and makes it easier to access important chats. First, open the Viber app on your phone and go to the chat section. Next, find any chat that you want to organize and press and hold it for a few seconds. Then, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Add to Folder. After that, choose the folder where you want to place the chat or create a new folder if needed. Once you have selected the folder, click on Done to confirm your choice. Now, to check if the chat has been added successfully, go to the top of your chat screen and click on the folder name. You will see the chat you just added neatly organized within that folder. This makes it easy to find important conversations without scrolling through all your messages. Finally, repeat this process for any other chats you want to organize.